Hi everyone. So what are we cooking in the high vibrational food kitchen today? This is rice noodles, just enough for one good meal. And I've cooked this just for about 7 minutes in mineral water. They're just lovely rice noodles, so gluten-free, vegan. And what I've put in here is a handful of green beans cut into small pieces. Also, a little sprinkle, you can just see a little bit there, of chili seeds because it gives it a tang. Now, this is real comfort food. Watch what we're going to do now and make this into a lovely creamy sauce. This is tahini, which is made from ground down sesame seeds, which have quite a lot of oil in as well. So what you get is this delicious liquid when you put this into hot water, which is all around these noodles. So I've cooked this until they're cooked and just leaving the water as it is because there's very little water left, but it's going to be our sauce. So the tahini is giving you extra calcium. That's the other thing with broccoli. Two products that have large amounts of calcium for vegans in. So we've got that mixed up. Now I'm going to turn it off the heat. I might put just a little bit more in out of my container here with the phone in my hand. This is all very difficult. Okay, a little bit more going in there to make it creamy. And now what we're going to do is add, this is a dessert spoonful of miso paste. So I'm putting that in when it's off the heat because you don't want it on boil because it will kill all the microbes that are in miso and are so good for your gut. So this is a product that actually helps you to digest food. So we're putting it in, so it's still going to be a lovely hot meal, and you can see how comforting this looks. It's such a delicious umami flavor, and with the tahini it's made it even more creamy. And just trying to get that off the spoon without helping it with my other hand. I will, over this weekend, get my camera actually fitted up in this kitchen. So we're getting a lovely mixture, and this is so tangy, and it's a sort of dish that you can cook when you haven't got time to make anything else, because this literally takes 10 minutes, and it's very nutritious. You've got your rice in there, you've got your green beans in there. You can actually add peas as well. That's very nice. And the miso and the tahini are the really important ingredients here. And also I always put in a grind of black pepper to activate the turmeric that I took a bit earlier, because this is lunch for me on a Saturday. So I'm intending to go out soon, and I really want to go out having eaten something before I go. So thank you for watching again. This is really healthy food I'm showing you, and this one is really comforting. It's the sort of thing that you can also make, you know, you have an early dinner and then you feel hungry again later, so you could make a smaller quantity of this, and it really is comforting. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like and give me a thumbs up. It keeps me going on the channel to see that people actually appreciate what I'm doing and all the hours I'm putting in. Thank you again for allowing me into your space today.